Can you see Mama? Can you see Dada? Dada!
Nahiya.
Oh my God, Natalia! How are you? Do you want to play with me? Natalia! Sabi, sino ba to? Sino ba to? Oh my God, Mars! Say hi to my vlog!
Babalik ka agad, ano? Babalik ka agad.
Do you wanna play? Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna win and play?
Para pinipilit niya na lang maging masaya ka.
Sino ba to? Okay, we're gonna sing. Do you wanna build a snowman? Oh my God! She's so happy with me. Do you wanna build a snowman? Oh my God! You're right! Yeah!
Napapatili mo.
You're right! It's perfect! Where are we going? Where are we going?
May kaya mo ba? Diyan na naman yun. Tapos hanggang nakarating tayo.
Mag-hi kayo sa aking video with Natalia Bells. Hi! Do you wanna build a snowman?
Ito tayo.
Okay. Natalia. Natalia. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nagka-count siya.
Alam mo,
1, 1, 2.
merong ano dyan, nag-bird.
Close open, close open. Very good. Very good.
Lagi kayo nakikita.
Hi, Natalia. How are you today? Hi. Do you want to play with me, Natalia?
Parang hindi niya alam kung ngingiti.
What are you doing? Are you playing?
Ano yun?
Mag-ready ka lang sa anak mo. Ang mairita lang ba?
Hi.
Say hi.
Oh. Say hi.
Oh.
Spanish din.
Hindi na English naman yun. Pagka aminin ka Spanish mo.
Oh my God, we're Natalia. What are you playing? What is that?
Ay, ngingiti.
Natalia, my dear. Wanna build a snowman? Wow. Where are the birds? Where's the birds? Can you tell me where's the birds? Yes! Where's the birds?
Ay, yung bird dumi.
Where are the birds? Can you count 1 to 10? 1,
Magkano kanina yan?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Look at my amiga. And then my other amiga here. And then my baby girl, Natalia, anak ko again. Close open, close open, close open. Abre, cierra. Abre, cierra. Muy bien. Yum, 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 yum. ¿Cómo estás? Pi, 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 pi. Pi, 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 pi. Sasha, pi, Sasha, pi. Wow, you're so beautiful. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Mama. Very good. One more time. Can you say mama? Mama. Can you say papa? Can you say papa?
Dada.
Can you say dada? Dada.
Mars, tingin tayo dun.
Okay, go.
Ay, dalaman na.
Can you say dada? 100 each na lang. Ito na lang kayo.
Great singer pero walang nakilig.
Ayan na, dali na.
Can
you say mama? Dada. Very good.
Galing!
Mama daw.
Cow says? Very good. Wow.
Wala pa kanyo. Ito namin.
The dog says?
Yeah!
One more. The dog says?
The horse na.
The horse says?
Wow.
Very good.
Says?
The cat says?
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Ganun pa. Serpiente. Ase.
Wow.
Ahas daw yun.
Ahas.
Lobo. Ase.
Ito naman, inuunahan.
Iyak yung bata. Tinuturo ko din mag-Spanish. Minsan. Talaga advanced na lang. Anong tawag
Nag-algebra na nga. Ito anong bilang-bilang?
Tawag sa'yo ng students mo kapag grade 1? Pato daw da? Paano kapag grade 4, ma'am? O teacher din? Teacher pa rin. Sa amin ang tawag, ma'am! Ma'am si ganyan po. Ma'am siya po. Kapag may kapag yung mga iba kong classmates yung buwera kapag walang teacher na kung sarap-sarap mag-ingay. Sabi nila,
Okay,
"Susumbong namin
isi-send
kayo."
natin to sa teacher ni Mars.
Ayari ka.
Yari po tayo ngayon, Isi-send po natin.
Tapos sila kapag yung mga bito-bito kong classmates kapag